finally agreed to, and the British put a couple engine types in some of the aircraft they had, and the P-51, as you know, was born. But the P-51 did not fly with British Navy. General Yeager will often remind us that every P-51 produced was an all-American airplane. The Rolls-Royce Merlin engine was licensed Houston, 2024. Guts about 15 or 18,000 feet. What if we took our Rolls-Royce Merlin engine and put that inside the P-51? Well, again, we're back to the United States negotiating with Britain, and a lot of coordination between Rolls-Royce. Right behind him, from the left, here comes the other. So speaking of photos, don't forget, this is a great opportunity here today that the folks at Wings Over Houston have provided for you, bringing Dewey Larson and the great big F8 cockpit experience, F8 Hornet, Top Gun Maverick.